So let's talk handheld vacuums. This one by DeWalt is one of my favorite vacuums to use. As you can see, I've been using it in a lot of places. I've got paint on it, I've got dust on it, I've got dings and dents to it, but this is the ultimate vacuum to use when you're trying to clean up a job site after your job is done. Now, the unit itself, very lightweight. You're able to take the hopper off, which it also has a filter, and then you could just dump all that stuff right back into the garbage, put the filter back in, attach it, and now you're ready to go. There are multiple different attachments. It comes with this nifty bag to hold all of the attachments. And again, just unbelievable how many attachments you got here. Pretty much everything that you could possibly think of. The only thing is missing are the two little extensions that you could add to one another. So that way you could literally just stand up and vacuum the floor. Really cool. Now, you could either use the battery that it came with, which is just a smaller battery, which it makes it super lightweight. When you turn it on, there is a light up front, so that way you could basically see what you're vacuuming if you're in a closet or a small corner. All you have to do is push it up or down to turn off. And the handle itself is rubber and really comfortable to use. And you have a belt hook right here. So that way, if you are on the go and you're working, you could just let it hang on the side of your belt. Now, if the battery is too small for you and you need more power, you could always get the bigger battery and it will work just as well. So now let's vacuum up this little mess that I just created. And it's that simple. Again, this is an everyday tool for me to use on all my job sites. After I'm done, it makes cleanup a breeze. Go out, grab one of these DeWalt handheld vacuums today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.